In this video, I'll show you the best way to keep Auto Start Stop disabled in your Kia Seltos using the Autostop Eliminator. For the installation, you'll only need a small pair of cutting shears. Locate and detach the fuse panel cover just below the Auto Start Stop button and to the left of the steering wheel. Next, we'll reach through the opening and detach the connector from the back of the Auto Start Stop switch assembly. Be sure to fully press and hold the release latch on the connector before attempting to disconnect the harness. Connect the Autostop Eliminator to the wiring harness, then connect the Autostop Eliminator to the switch assembly. Locate the brace on the right-hand side of the fuse panel opening. Use the included zip tie to attach the electronics housing to the upper side of the brace. Trim the excess from the zip tie. Reinstall the fuse panel cover. To demonstrate the device functionality, we'll start the vehicle and ensure Auto Start Stop is off using the indicator on the Auto Start Stop switch. When we restart the vehicle, we see the off setting for Auto Start Stop was automatically restored. Now we'll turn Auto Start Stop on to show that this setting is also remembered. After restarting, we see the Auto Start Stop is allowed to remain on. Next, we'll turn Auto Start Stop back off and restart one last time. It's that easy to keep Auto Start Stop disabled on your Kia Seltos.